Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Our blue sky pattern is sticking around another day, but humidity and rain chances both going up this weekend.
How about our dry humidity pattern is not sticking around, I guess.
No. It's not going to stick around. It is May, and you know, an asterisk there on the blue sky, right? So we've had some hazy conditions coming through, and we'll talk about this smoke out in Collier County. 89 degrees the high we hit today, 90 degrees, but a dry heat, no question about it, with humidity in the 30s and 40s, 35 to 45%. That's impressive for this time of year. Our normal high, by the way, is 85, so 5 degrees above the average. So here's what's going on with the blue skies that have now turned a little bit to hazy. There's the fire at Big Cypress National Reserve in Collier County. You can see the plume of smoke. I've switched the colors here on radar so you can see exactly what's happening, and that is not rainfall. That is smoke coming east. Now, the thick of it, the kind of smoke that can settle down to the ground, that's going to be near the fire, but we do have these, wispy, at times, looking skies because of a little bit of smoke coming in, but it is at this point, concentration coming down. So it's just, I don't think, going to be an issue as far as health conditions there, but we'll watch it closely. Here's the forecast as we check in on the smoke tracker. You'll be able to see the wind as it blows continuously from the west to east, and then it shifts a little bit further south and east, and you see again, lighter colors depicting less concentration as far as the smoke. It settles down tonight, and then we pick up on the winds for tomorrow out of the west. That's the sea breeze coming in. So we could have a few more hazy hours in the sky tomorrow afternoon. So keep that in mind, and that's what's going on. It's well out, about 40 miles to our west. Temperatures right now in the upper 80s, but it feels like the upper 80s because these impressive relative humidity values continue to be more, like late March and early April, not really May. Dipping down even further. Low humidity with a dry front coming in, and then look at that. That is an indication not just of humidity coming back, but moisture as well. And with that and the heating of the day, we're going to start making some storms here. I think it's going to be a process. Friday will be the transition. It'll be a little bit stickier outside, and then for the weekend we'll get into some showers, and even by Sunday some thunderstorms. But for now, quiet as can be. Rain tracker here not showing much through the day on Thursday. We'll kick off the weekend with dry conditions as well. So I think we'll be in pretty good shape again until we get to the weekend. But even by then, I think Saturday still looks pretty good to me as far as rainfall, 20% coverage. It's Sunday that we have to watch for, because Sunday we could have more of an accumulating event here. Nothing, out of control, but quarter of an inch of rainfall certainly possible on Sunday afternoon, with rain coverage going up to 30% and staying there as we head into the early part of next week with high humidity back in the picture.